In part 3, we're going to edit the index.html file to improve the looks of our launch page. At the very top of the file is a lot of styles, and we're going to spread them out so they can be easily identified. The first thing we're going to do is change the background color from the gray to white. So we'll edit this line with FFFX, the hex color for white. Now we're going to insert the banner image at the top of the page, and that occurs right below the container class. We're just going to display our image banner.png. Now we're going to change the image styles to get the full size. The image height and width is defined here. I'm just going to comment this line to leave it here so we can remember what it was initially, and then make a copy of it. Paste it below and change the settings, width to 100% and the height to 100% of whatever is the image. Next thing is to change the cell size. Here is the cell size. Again, I'm just going to make a copy of that line so I have a reference for it in case I want to go back and change it to the original. Paste in a new copy. We'll change the margin size to just 5 pixels and the width from 216 pixels to auto, whatever the size width it needs to be. Now we want to change that color behind the images to that dark red, and that's defined here in the cell hover style definition, and we'll change the color to 57011, which is that dark red color. Of course, we'll need to change the text color to white to contrast sharply against the dark red hover color. FFFFFF, hex color for white. Now let's publish the changed index.html file, the launch page, up to the server. All the other components are already there. We simply altered the layout. And once we've done that, we can go to the volume, open the page, and things are looking good. We've got the dark red color. We have the images at full size, and they all still operate correctly. Let's launch the dashboard, make sure that still works. Yep, there it is. Dashboard displaying correctly. Everything's looking good. So let's do some additional tests. Suppose we wanted to add a new report. We'd have to create a new image. We'd have to edit the index file and then upload the design, the image, and the altered XML file. So I just copied in the report and the image which I had built previously, and now I'm editing index.html to add in the new report. I can simply copy and paste the previous entries and make some suitable changes. I put a couple of breaks in to put the new image on the next line. So let's republish the pieces that we need. And what is it that we need this time? Well, we're going to need the image, the new report design, and the newly edited index.html file, and publish up to the volume. Let's check that out on the volume. And there below it is our new image and our new report. And that's how you can create a very attractive application launch page for your application collections.